Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. And if it's your first time on my channel, welcome. Today's video is going to be a how-to video. I'm going to be showing you how I apply my liquid liner. So if you guys want to see how I achieve that look, then keep on watching. So this is the liquid liner that I use. It's by NYX and in the color black. And I love it because it has a very fine, long felt tip at the end. The first thing I do is I like to look down into a mirror, and you guys already know that I have this like eye tearing problem, so please don't mind the fact that my eyeshadow is looking a little crust. Shake it up so that I get a lot of the product, and then I kind of just wipe it a little bit on one side. Not using way too much product. Okay, so when I do my wing, I like to start from the middle. I have very curly eyelashes, so they kind of get in the way sometimes, but what I like to do sometimes, now that I've kind of got the gist of things, I don't really need to do this anymore, but applying a thin layer of mascara kind of helps you. Okay, so starting from the middle, as close to your lash line as you can get it. Draw a line. Short, skinny, small line right at your lash line. Just keep on doing that until you have the entire line back of your eye here, that outer corner. You're gonna go to the front of the lash line. For the wing, I'm starting at the very bottom of my eye, like so, right at that corner. You're gonna drag a line. See how I'm doing this with very small, quick strokes up until I get the line where I want it to stop at. Okay, and then you're gonna flip your hand backwards. So at first we were going towards the brow, now we're going away from the brow. Start from the middle of the line. So here's the middle of the line here, right? Now carefully draw a line back inward, back to your lash line. I'm gonna go ahead and just fill that in. So soft pressure, and then you're dragging it towards the middle of your eye. And then, you know, you can fix up whatever you may have messed up and kind of clean that. I know a lot of people, when they do this, they kind of pull back on their eye here. That doesn't really help me. It just messes up my highlight, and we ain't got time for that. If you see that you've messed up at any point, you can kind of go in with some concealer and clean it up on the bottom. Okay? My God is bigger than it. Bigger than it. Bigger than it. I don't even know the song. I don't even know the words.
You know I don't play.
Oh yeah, sample queen over there. Okay, let me end this. Alright, so that was mad loud. Okay, so that is how I get my wing liner. It's pretty simple, like I said, just keep practicing at it. It's not something that you get the first time. I didn't get it the first time. I still struggle sometimes to get it super perfect and super sharp, but for the most part. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in